Moving back to Colorado, it's 2013 and the end of my life. Freshman year's about to plummet just a little harder, but it didn't, cause we kissed on that Halloween night. I bleached half my hair when I saw Zoe on your Vespa. It was orange from 3% peroxide, thanks to you. I needed a good